Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start Nissan Titan full guide. First, keep the key fob on you and stand within full remote range. Press lock once, then press and hold the remote start button until lights flash. The vehicle will run for the preset time and then shut off. Use your app or fob to extend runtime if available. Always secure the vehicle before walking away. In this video, I will explain how to remote start Nissan Titan full guide. Make sure doors are closed and the hood is latched before initiating remote start. Lock the doors, then press and hold the remote start button for a few seconds until the lights flash. If your system supports it, use the manufacturer app for remote control and climate adjustments. Always verify engine is running from a safe distance. In this video, I will explain how to remote start Nissan Titan full guide. Quick recommendation. I like the Owala water bottle shown here for staying hydrated while prepping your truck, and it makes a great companion for early morning starts. If you found this useful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to remote start Nissan Titan full guide. If remote start does not engage, test a fresh key fob battery and try again. Inspect the hood latch, parking brake, and transmission position because safety interlocks can prevent starting. Look for dash warnings that indicate issues requiring service. When in doubt, consult a qualified technician to avoid causing electrical or engine damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.